vegetarian journey. So it's day one of my vegetarian eating healthy, getting rid of swearing journey, and I just had muesli and yogurt and I feel good, and I'm drinking my water. So hopefully I keep feeling this good and great so I can get snatch waist, but also so I can stop snoring. But yeah, I'll just keeping you updated. But so far so good. It's been a few hours and it's great. It's great. So it's still the first day and I'm craving cheese curls. And it doesn't help that I have a pair of cheese curls in my room. So it's still day one and I cheated by mistake. Okay, so we were baking for fundraising and then I had to taste if the cupcakes were coming out good. But like I did it by mistake, so I just put it in by mistake. But it wasn't like a lot, like it was just like a little. So now like I'm making, my lunch, not my lunch, but I'm making food, yeah, basically lunch for tomorrow. And I'm making dinner for today. I'm making some vegetarian burgers to recover. So that's why I'm going to be using brown hamburger buns. I'm not supposed to be eating the sauces, but I'm not going to eat a bland burger. Onion, I'm going to fry it. I'm not supposed to fry, but I'm not going to not fry an onion, Some processed cheese, because I can't afford the expensive cheese. And then this is what I'm doing. So I'm eating the meat-free burgers by Fries. This is really good. Like it really tastes like chicken. So this is what I'm gonna eat. So yeah, this is me closing day one. Day one was difficult, but we pulled through. So it is day 3 today, and I'm still doing good. I'm still drinking my water. The cooking is getting a bit much though, but I think I'm gonna make a sandwich with cheese and mushrooms and the vegan sausages with onions fried all together with a stir fry on the side. So that's what I'm gonna eat now for lunch and for dinner. And then tomorrow, when I don't have too many things going on, I'll cook a big meal. Because today I have home sale. Yesterday I had a church meeting. Monday, I don't know. But so far I've been trying to make just quick, fast and easy meals. So now I need to wash my dishes and start with that. But this is how much it is. I have used tomatoes, peppers, spinach, mushrooms, garlic, yogurt. So when I eat breakfast, I have these little biscuits that I'm going to make. And then breakfast I'm going to make. Already used before. And then when I have left, I probably need to go back cookies again. But that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, it is going okay. So today is day 4 of healthy eating. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna cook today, and I think we're gonna cook together. I'm gonna walk you through my whole meal today. So I have some leftovers from yesterday. So it's mushrooms and the vegan sausages and some onions fried. So I'm gonna use that because we don't waste food here, honey. Oh no, we don't. I'm gonna make rice. So I'm gonna mix the rice with these leftovers and some spices, you know, fry it up a little, and then I'm going to make the rest of the sausages that I didn't make yesterday, and I'm gonna make them in like a gravy type thing, so that yeah, the rice when I eat it all together, it's nice and juicy and then I'm also gonna boil some sweet corn. Then that's going to be our meal. Okay, so we're gonna get started now. My day 4 meal. I just got back from campus, and listen guys, I'm about to eat the cheese curls, and you know, it's the first week. We stumble the first week, you know, we fall down a little, you know, but what's important is that we're gonna get back up, you know, we're gonna get back up, and we're gonna remember why we're doing what we're doing. So for now, oh wow, so for now, right, we are going to eat cheese curls. Sorry if I let you down, my fans, but I'm gonna recover. I promise. Next week we're on. I'm saying I've been recording my vegetarian journey. Yes. It's day 6. It's cheat day. Oh, you know what that means. So we had a baby shower, yes, and I'm about to eat. No, she gonna eat the meat. She likes the meat. I'm about to eat. So after the baby shower, I saw that I didn't end the whole part one of my vegetarian journey. So this is me doing the outro. There's more to come, you know. Soon I'm gonna upload how I made one of my meals. So we all vegetarian together, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Anyways, yeah. Subscribe, comment, like. Tell me if you are willing to go vegetarian with me. Join the journey. Let's be amazing. Let's be great. See you when I upload again. I love you with all my heart. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting, keep liking. And I'll see you next time. Vegetarian journey. Vegetarian journey.